guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna, and today I have my monthly Sephora Play Box unboxing. So unfortunately, I have heard from a lot of you guys from our previous videos that they unfortunately do not offer this internationally, which Sephora really needs to get on it because they do have stores internationally and worldwide, but for the fact that they only do the Play Box in the United States is just kind of weird to me. I think they really should open this up and make this international. But I am so excited because, as I mentioned before, and if you've seen some of my previous Play unboxing, you guys know that I really focus my box on skincare. So yes, Sephora does offer a lot of makeup products, but what's really great is that you can personalize your profile and get skincare items. You can get perfumes, you can get shampoos, conditioners, so many things. So when you open up your box, she looks like this. So there is a little pamphlet that you get with all of the items that are in your box, so you can read on like how to use them, what they are, see what their full prices are. That comes in this pamphlet, and then you get this little bag with all the items. So let's get right into it. I am so excited because if you guys know me, you know I am a sucker for skincare. So I always get excited when I get my Sephora Play Box because I just can't wait to try out the new items that I get. So let's start with the first item. And the first item I actually see is a perfume. So as I mentioned, you can really customize your box. They try to give you a little bit of everything. If you're really more on the skincare side, they will give you more skincare. If you're more on the makeup side, they will give you more makeup. Again, it just all depends on how you customize your profile when you first create it. And what's really cool is that you can go in there monthly or every couple months and change your profile up. So for example, if you were getting a lot of makeup and you want to switch to getting more skincare, you can do that, vice versa. So that's what I really love about this box, is that you can really customize it to yourself, and you can literally customize it every month if you wanted to. So the first item we have in here is a perfume sample, and it is the Philosophy brand, and it's called Amazing Grace. So here it is, small little sample. So what I really like about these little bottles is that these are really convenient to either throw in your bag, throw in your makeup bag, right? Because you don't want to carry a whole bottle of perfume in your bag. So these are really nice because, again, these are the small samples. So you can just throw it in your bag and it's very convenient. And I really love that. And I actually haven't tried this smell before. This is new to me. Oh, and that's really nice. That's very nice. So it's a very muted smell. Like, it's not too strong, it's not too sweet and like too, you know, because there's some perfumes like the body mist and stuff that are very sweet and kind of more for like younger girls and girls in their teen years. This is definitely, I want to say, an older scent, some like for an older woman, but I really like it. It's actually really nice. It's very muted, so it's not too much, it's not too sweet, it's not too strong of a smell. So I really like that. And again, that's Philosophy, and it's called Amazing Grace. So that's fun because I love to keep these like in my bag. I have a little bag in my work bag. I have like a little compartment where I keep all these little perfumes. Because again, just when you want to touch up, you know, if you're really sweating that day or whatever the case is, those are really helpful and come in handy. All right, let's see what our next item is. Oh, okay, so I got a Tarte product, and this is the Tarte, what is this? Multitasking Foundation. Okay, so I have gotten a few different foundations before, but I don't think I've ever gotten the Tarte one. So let's see. I personally myself use the Fenty Beauty foundation. If you guys were wondering, it's her new one. It's the, what is it called? It's the Pro Filler Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So Fenty Beauty did come out with their first range of foundations. They were more of a matte foundation, and I had that and it was great, but I did notice that that did dry out my skin a lot. So I moved to the hydrating foundation, and I absolutely love it. This is what she looks like, and I am in the shade 190. And the shade that I had in the matte shade, the first round of foundation she had, I think I was in too dark of a shade. I think I was in the 200 range. For whatever reason, I think when I went to go get it, I was a bit more tan. So it definitely was not my color. And I noticed after a year, it did not blend in with my neck or anything anymore. So I had to get a new foundation. It wasn't even like, oh, okay, I'll wait. Like, I needed a new foundation, something that did match my skin tone better. And you guys, I'm telling you, go in there. If you haven't tried it, try the hydrating foundation because it is amazing. And I am obsessed. Anyways, so sorry, back to this one. So this is the Tarte one. So this is what she looks like, which is interesting. Let me see if this is my tone. Ooh, I just put way too much on my hand. I think this might be a bit too dark for me. I don't think this would fit. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, if you guys can see, it doesn't really match up to my skin too well. So maybe I can use it like if I'm doing maybe more of a bronzing look, if I want to bronze a bit all over my face. But I probably wouldn't use this as a foundation because it just doesn't seem like it would, well, it just doesn't go with my skin tone. It is a bit darker than my skin tone, so I personally wouldn't use this as a foundation. Maybe more of like a bronzer, you know, kind of in your cheek area, under your jawbone. Maybe I'd use it as a bronzer, but not really foundation. But if they did match me with the right color, then maybe I would have used it as a foundation just to try it out. Because I have heard good things about like the Tarte brand, but I personally myself have never really purchased anything from them. I've just gotten like some small sample sizes of things. So then we have the next thing is a Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And I absolutely love the Belief line. You guys, I am obsessed. Especially the Aqua Balm Moisturizer. Love, like I absolutely love that. And I actually ended up getting the bigger bottle because I really liked how hydrating it was and moisturizing. So I love when I get more moisturizers from this brand because I love their moisturizers. They are right on point. They are very, what I really like about them is you get certain moisturizers and when you put it on your face, it feels really nice, but then you feel it kind of like, not that it dries out your face, but you definitely feel like that moisture doesn't stay on your face, if that makes sense. But I really like, if you guys know, I do use the Tatcha brand and I use their moisturizer religiously. But if I have to say, I would definitely say Belief kind of measures up to it. It does keep my face moisturized, hydrated, shiny. So I really love that. So I'm excited to try this because I haven't tried the True Cream one. I've tried the Aqua Bomb one, but I'm really excited to try this one because I absolutely have loved the Belief moisturizers that I've gotten. Let's look at our next item. Oh, nice. Okay, so I got a Glam Glow mask. And you guys, I use Glam Glow religiously as well. How cute is this? Let me see. I think this is 0.5 ounces, so not too bad. It can last me 1 or 2 times. So I actually, it's so funny because I do have the bigger size of this Super Mud mask and I absolutely love it. So you guys, if you are looking for a really good mask to use, I would highly recommend Glam Glow. They have their firming mask that I use, and that's a peel mask, which is really nice because when you peel it off your face, it's just so satisfying. And it's not one of those peel masks that are hard to scrub off. Like, it really dries and you can just peel it right off. There's no problem. I've had no issues with that. And then what was actually funny is one year I had gotten this Glam Glow like packet for Christmas or something, and they had a few different options and the Super Mud was in there. You guys, I am obsessed with the Super Mud now because it is absolutely amazing. So for the fact that they sent me another one is really great because I do actually have a big size, but to have this little travel one, this is actually really cute because I am going on vacation in 2 months. So I might actually take this with me just like in the middle of my vacation to do a mask one of these nights. So this is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. So you guys, I swear by these, and I use the firming mask and the Super Mud mask kind of like back and forth. I don't use it every single time, right? Because your face does get used to products, so you want to switch it up. So I switch it up between their firming mask and their Super Mud mask, and I absolutely love it. So I would highly recommend, if you guys have not tried Glam Glow masks, go try them out. They are absolutely amazing. So I am really excited about that, and I think that's actually the first time I've gotten something from Glam Glow. So I'm really happy about that because I love the line in general. I love Glam Glow, the brand, so I'm excited about that. All right, now we are down to our last 2 items, and the second to last item I got is the Hello Fab Pores Matte Primer. And what's really great is, again, right, these are all travel sizes, so you can throw this stuff in your makeup bag. I have a ton of little sample size primers that I always take with me when I'm going on vacation, when I have like a long weekend plan and I'm going somewhere else. I love taking these little primers. So that is what she looks like. So again, very small, probably can use it 3, maybe even 4 or 5 times. I can get a good amount out of this. But yeah, I really love this because, again, this is really great, and that's what I love about having this subscription box, is that everything you get is usually travel size. So it's really great if you're someone who vacations a lot, if you're someone that usually goes away for the weekends and you're not home. I would highly recommend subscribing to this subscription box because they give you travel size items and you can never go wrong. So if you're someone that really travels a lot, these are great because you don't have to take the full size items with you every single time you pick up and go. You can just have a small little makeup bag with all these little travel size items and boom, done. Stick it in your suitcase, call it a day. And then the last item we have is a tattoo liner, a Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I believe, oh, nice. Oh, this is really cool because I have a Stila one like this that I swear by, but Kat Von D also has one of these, which I never knew. So what it is when you take it out, it has a very fine tip. Oh, I love that because my Stila is actually running out. And to be honest, I have not bought like these type of liners in Sephora or anything at all because I keep getting them in my box. So once the other one is running out, whatever the case is, I usually get another one in my Sephora box and I just keep using it. And that's really great because I don't have to go to the store and buy the full-size item. And it was funny because as I was doing my makeup for this video, my Stila one that I had was running out. And I was like, oh crap, I need to get to Sephora and go get me like the full-size item. And what do you know? We got another one in our box, and then this can last me for a while, so I don't have to go and run and get one at the store. So this is really great. I haven't used the Kat Von D one, but I'm excited to because again, my other one ran out. So for the fact that now I have another one, I am super excited about. So yeah, so that is all that we have in our Sephora Play Box for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. So again, as I mentioned, if you are someone that's really kind of all over the place, you go away a lot on the weekends, you travel a lot, I would highly recommend this box. This box is a godsend because there are so many things I don't have to run out and buy when I am going away for a long weekend or on vacation. So that's what I really love about this box. And you just get new items to try out. Like, who doesn't like that? And it's funny because there's honestly so many things that I myself, if I was walking through Sephora, would probably not pick out. I'd probably be interested, but then, you know, Sephora is kind of, they do have a lot of higher end items, so you know, a bottle can run you $20-$30 depending on what you're buying, right? So if you don't want to necessarily get the full size item, that's what's really great because you might get it in your Sephora Play Box and you can try it out. And I've actually had that happen where I've gone to Sephora, have seen a moisturizer or something that I really am interested in, but I don't want to spend $40 or $50 on the full-size item, and then it actually ended up coming in my Play Box, which I was so stoked about because I remember I wanted to try it, but I just didn't want to pay the full price for the big one because it's like, what if I didn't like it, you know? So that's what's really great is they're small, they're travel size, you can try it out. If you don't like it, right, it's not like you're throwing out a whole bottle. It's really great because again, the subscription box is only 10 bucks and you get about, I want to say 6 to 7 items a month. So it's a little bit over like, you know, $1.50 for each item. So again, if you don't like it and you toss it out, not that big of a problem. But if, you know, I try something and it's a $30-$40 bottle and I don't like it and then I have to toss it out, you guys, no brainer. So if you were thinking of getting this box, I would highly recommend it. If you're someone that is into skincare and makeup and just wants something new, something fun, highly would recommend it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop mumbling. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please leave them down in the comment section. And until next time, bye guys.